Hi, everyone, and thanks for joining us for more in our digital transformation series with IBM. I'm Gary Cohen with Control Engineering. In this video series, we've been discussing many topics about digital transformation in manufacturing with IBM experts and customers. Today, we're joined by Christopher Nicol. Chris began his career with Kaiser Aluminum back in 1994 after serving in the Navy as part of their nuclear propulsion program. Since then, he's progressed through a variety of maintenance, engineering, and operations plant management positions. He's currently Kaiser's Senior Director of Engineering and Maintenance, where he's responsible for developing and implementing best in class maintenance and engineering processes across the company's 14 manufacturing facilities.
Thank you very much.
So let's talk digital transformation. What do you identify as the main drivers for adopting digital transformation within your manufacturing operations?
Well, it really, for us, all comes down to manufacturing efficiency. And we see digital transformation driving that in any number of ways, everything from increased throughput, improved recovery, improved equipment availability through various predictive maintenance and predictive analytic capabilities, and ultimately driving cost reduction with that.
What benefits of digital transformation do you think resonate the most with manufacturers? And why are these benefits particularly impactful for manufacturers?
Well, I think for most manufacturers, it comes down to remaining competitive in the workplace, whether that is or I should say the marketplace, whether that's by keeping yourself cost competitive, by ensuring that you have competitive products from a quality and a performance standpoint, whether it is creating new products and or capabilities. And of course, recently, sustainability has become a big part of the equation as well.
Can you provide us a specific example of how digital transformation delivered a positive impact for you or a customer, and what some of those results were?
Yeah, so on the customer side, we've implemented some digital transformation projects around the way we process some of our aluminum plate, and as a result of that, we've got much better process control, both upstream and downstream, that has enhanced the physical characteristics of the plate that the customer sees, and has allowed them to improve their manufacturing throughput and recovery as a result. Internally, we've had a couple of examples where through the use of wireless continuous monitoring of the equipment and AI analytics tied to that, we've been able to improve equipment uptime pretty dramatically, as well as enhance worker safety by reducing the amount of time they have to interact with equipment while it's live and rotating.
What level of, I always like to ask, because everybody's on their own digital transformation journey somewhere along the process. What level of digital transformation maturity has your organization achieved so far?
Well, it varies quite a bit depending on the individual facility. Our larger facilities have enough internal resources that they're much farther down the road. But even at those facilities, I would say we're still to some extent in the pilot phase. So our approach is to identify areas where we think we can have impact, but we have a high probability of success with a digital transformation project, implement that, demonstrate and document the results, and then use that to generate pull throughout the organization for more work and more projects. At the smaller facilities, there's a little less opportunity, and we are still working to develop the resources that we can deploy into those smaller facilities.
What are some of the pain points you've seen or sticking points in a digital transformation process? The things that are really holding people back from whether that's, a skills gap or something operational.
Well, first and foremost, it's change, and change is always hard for people because they're used to doing things a certain way. I think the two big pain points are, one, they feel like it represents a loss of control for them a lot of times, because now the digital systems are doing what they used to be counted on to do, or where their personal expertise came in. And that kind of leads to the second pain point, which is, so, obviously you're not looking to get rid of that skill and expertise. You want to redeploy it. And to do that, a lot of times that requires some additional training and upskilling to be able to do that.
So on that note, which skill sets are prioritized for development or recruitment to support your digital transformation, or just to support digital transformation in general?
Well, certainly on the recruiting side, that has come down to, we've quickly come to learn we need a lot more computer science / data science people that we've historically not had, more people from the computer engineering firm and what or area of expertise. And we like them to have some sort of experience in an operational environment. It can't just be purely theoretical. And then out on the factory floor, particularly for the maintainers and the junior engineers, it's about having the hardware and software expertise to be able to get in and troubleshoot and maintain digital systems that have been put in place.
Why might certain technologies, whether that's predictive maintenance software, AI-enabled visual inspection, why might some of those be prioritized in digital transformation initiatives?
Well, certainly for us, it starts with wherever we can use it to reduce direct interaction with the process of the equipment. There's a safety benefit for that. And that's something we're always looking to try to achieve, eliminate that direct interface. But then once again, anytime you can have a process that is very repeatable, every time you run a piece of product that's run exactly the same way. And so machine control, machine monitoring, and adjustment in an automated digital manner is always a benefit to us.
Terrific. Chris, all terrific information. Thank you for being with us. And I feel like I should say, go Zags.
Absolutely, go Zags. Thank you.
Thanks so much for all your insight today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, Control Eng TV, which has additional interviews with thought leaders and experts. You can also visit our website at controleng.com for any additional content. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.